Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You control the process. Start by confirming a recent backup and the precise app version you want restored. Next, turn off automatic updates so the OS won't immediately reapply changes. Then stop the app, force stop or reboot into safe mode so files aren't in use. Once done, clear cache and app data or choose uninstall updates in system settings to revert to the factory APK. This first step prevents conflicts and ensures you can install the older package cleanly. You now obtain the exact, signed APK for the version you want. Make sure it matches the app signature so data remains compatible. Enable temporary permission to install from unknown sources, but disable it after. If you prefer command line, connect via ADB and run the install R command to replace the current build. Otherwise, use a package installer that preserves user data. Once installed, verify app behavior before restoring settings. This prevents data loss. You're almost done. Test core features and re-enable app protections like Play Store, auto updates only if you want future updates blocked. Restore any user data from your backup or in-app export to get back to normal. If the app crashes or misbehaves, check system or logcat logs to pinpoint the issue. Often clearing app data or reinstalling the exact APK resolves conflicts. If signature or API level mismatches persist, revert steps and obtain the correct build. This single troubleshooting tip saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.